We are doing question from GATE 2016 electronics branch. So a op amp circuit is given to you and it says that an op amp has finite open loop voltage gain of 100. So it has a finite, first term is finite open loop voltage gain of 100. So the open loop voltage gain, open loop means without any feedback. This is your feedback resistor. This is your feedback resistor RF. If this feedback resistor is removed, then the open loop voltage gain is 100. So normally in an ideal op amp, open loop voltage gain is equal to infinite. But here open loop voltage gain is 100. So we can say this is not an ideal value. Okay, and voltage gain obviously means output voltage upon input voltage. Then it says that its input offset voltage is 5 millivolt. So this is the input offset voltage, it is given as 5 millivolt and Vin is given as 25 millivolt. And it says that the amplifier is ideal in all other aspects, so we have to find the voltage gain. So this has a open loop AOL is 100. So first of all, this voltage will be a total addition of these two voltages. So if you add them, this voltage is 30 millivolt. This voltage is 30 millivolt. But we cannot apply virtual ground concept here. We cannot apply virtual ground concept because open loop voltage gain is finite. Virtual ground concept can be applied only and only if open loop voltage gain is infinite. But here open loop voltage gain is 100. So this voltage will not be equal to this voltage. Let's say this voltage is Vi. So Vi will not be equal to 30 millivolt because open loop voltage gain is not infinite. Okay, open loop voltage gain is finite, so Vi will not be equal to 30 millivolt because we cannot apply virtual ground concept here. So now let's try to find out. So we have to find the output voltage. So if I write V non-inverting voltage is equal to 30 millivolt. Voltage of non-inverting terminal is equal to 30 millivolt. So the formula for output voltage for practical op amp is AOL into VD, difference voltage, where VD is equal to VNI minus VI. That is the voltage of the plus terminal minus the voltage of the negative terminal. So here VO is equal to 100 into 30 minus VI. So we have found VO. So we have found VO. VO equal to 100, 30 minus VI. This is our VO. Now we will apply Kirchhoff's voltage law at this node. So Vi minus this volt, this is ground, so obviously it is 0, so I am not writing, upon 1k plus Vi minus, let this be VO, output voltage. So Vi minus VO upon 15k is equal to 0 because the current going inside op amp is 0. Okay, so even if the voltage gain is not infinite, but the current going inside the op amp will be 0 because the input impedance of op amp is infinite, and the question says that the amplifier is ideal in all other aspects. So we have to consider that the input impedance is infinite, otherwise the question cannot be solved. So if we take the LCM, we will get 16 Vi equal to VO, or Vi equal to Vo upon 16. Now we will put this value in this equation. So we will get Vo equal to 100 into 30 is 3000 minus 100 Vi, 100 Vi, and Vi is equal to Vo upon 16. Vi equal to Vo upon 16. So we can write Vo equal to 3000 minus 100 into Vo upon 16. If you take Vo here, Vo plus 100 Vo upon 16 is equal to 3000. I will take Vo common, so we will get Vo 1 plus 100 upon 16 is equal to 3000. So if we take LCM, we will get 116 upon 16. 160 Vo into 116 upon 16 equal to 3000. So if you solve this, you will get Vo equal to 413.79 millivolt. You will get Vo equal to 413.79 millivolt. So this is the correct answer. Output voltage is equal to 413.79 millivolt. Okay, so we cannot apply virtual ground concept in this question because the open loop voltage gain is finite. Virtual ground concept can be applied only and only if open loop gain is infinite. So this was the solution. If you have any doubt, you can post your comment in the comment box. Please leave your feedback also. Your feedback is very important. Thank you. Please like and share the video and subscribe the channel.